this is Audrey, also known as Noble Strength, and welcome to my channel. And today you are tuned in for a fashion segment. My channel is about faith, fashion, and art. Today we're going to be focusing on some items that I picked up from Tory Burch. These items were purchased in May leading up to my birthday. I just had some things on my wish list that I wanted to get, and a nice quality belt was one of them. So the first item I'm going to show you is the Tory Burch 1.5 inch reversible logo belt. So I got it, gift wrapped. So it came in this bag and it's inside of this pouch here. It comes with your standard receipt and card. So this is the cute little pouch that it comes in. And this pouch, I must say, is a high quality pouch. It's very velvety, very soft, very thick. And I like that because you could use this cute little pouch. I love it. See the little medallion for other things, like when traveling, you could put your jewelry in it, little intimate items you could put in this pouch, but I just think it's so nice. I love when companies really take the time to just give you nice things. So this is the belt. And as I said, it is the reversible. Let me take that plastic off. It is the reversible logo belt. This is the 1.5 inch. They do have a smaller size, which is the 1 inch. And this, like I said, is reversible. It has a little peg here that you can unscrew. It's on pretty tight, so I think I'm gonna have to get some pliers to kind of help get me started. But this side is the camel brown color, and then you have the black side. And I just think it's lovely. I got it in a size medium. I typically wear a size 6'8" in a dress size, and my waist kind of fluctuates between a 29 and a 30. It kind of fluctuates between there. So based on their sizing chart, it recommended that I get a medium, and yes, that is what I needed. And it does allow for room in case my waist expands, God forbid, or if it decreases, it will still fit. So this is the first item that I got, and like I said, it's a very high quality, and I can't wait to wear it. Today I'm just wearing this basic black tank top and a denim skirt, and I'm just gonna pop this little baby on when I get ready to go out. So that's the first item that I got. All right, the second item that I got are a pair of shoes. These are called the Chelsea 25 millimeter ballerina Napa leather ballet flat. So I got it in a size 9.5. Based on the reviews that I saw online, most people said it was true to size, and so I went with those reviews and got it in a 9.5, and I'm glad I did. I absolutely love these Tory Burch boxes. I just like the color of them. It comes with your dust bag, cute little dust bag with the medallion, and this is the shoe. This is the perfect shoe if you want a dressy shoe. You can wear dressy casual or dressy, and you don't want a very high heel. It's very conservative and very ladylike. So this is it. It has the Tory Burch double stack tees, just like on the belt. And this is an all leather shoe. The out part is leather, the sock and the inside around is leather, and also the sole is leather. And I love that gold border around the edge of the sole, and this is the heel height. I got it in black so I could wear it with, multiple things, and you already know black is one of my favorite colors, go-to things to wear. So these are both pair from the side, from the back. But yes, absolutely love these. And like I say, just really, really nice. Have not worn these out yet, but I will model them for you today. I will model the belt first, wearing what I currently have on, and then I'll maybe put on another item or two just to kind of give you an idea of how you can wear it other ways. So if that is your cup of tea and that sounds interesting to you, then please go ahead and stick around. I will be right back. I'm just demonstrating how you wear the belt. You just slide the strap behind the peg, under the hoop, and into the hole of your choice. Mine is going into about the 5th hole on this belt, so it gives me plenty of room to go either back or forth, and it's at a nice fit right now. It's not too tight, not too loose. It's room to kind of slide and move around. It fits nicely, and I love how that buckle stands out. So this is what it looks like styled with the outfit that I'm wearing today to run my errands. Just a distressed skirt and my LV sneakers and my Coach Hobo bag, which I just love carrying. And this is outfit number 1. So this is a styling of the belt and the ballet flats paired together, and this is an early fall styling because I have the tights on with it, but very demure. I think they look great together. This is a close-up of how you would reverse the belt. You unscrew the peg, and I did have to loosen mine with pliers, and then just flip it on the other side. So this is a styling reversed with jeans, with a graphic tee and some sandals, and I think this is just a nice casual look. And what I like about this belt is that you can dress it up or dress it down, and the buckle really makes a statement and stands out. Very, very nice and chic. So that is it. I love it. So glad I invested in it. I appreciate you stopping by, and I hope that this was informative. And if you were on the market to purchase a belt or a pair of shoes, consider these options. I'll leave all the information and links in the description box below. And by the way, comment below, let me know if you have any of these items, and if you've had them for a while, what have been your thoughts on them, how they've held up for you. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below, and then you might be able to help someone else out who might be reading the comment thread. I always want to leave you with this word, and that is to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because He truly loves us so much. And I will see you next time.